YouTube. Today we are going to install Oreo onto the Galaxy Note 5. The version we are going to install is the Lineage OS, Nexus OS version. Just bear with me 1 second, I will show you what I mean. Okay, so this is Oreo already pre-installed. I'll just check the version which we have here. Let's go ahead and let's check the about the phone. This one is an SMN920X, Lineage OS 15.1, 13 January 2018. This is the Lineage OS symbol. If we go to the Android version, this is Oreo 8.1.0. If we double click on that, we see the Oreo cookie, and if you long press on that one, you see the octopus. Also, you can use the stylus pen of the Samsung to move around the octopus, which is really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and let's check here all options. Well, as you can see, it's just a basic install. Alright, so let me show you how you can install Oreo onto your Galaxy Note 5. First of all, you want to power off the system, and then you want to press 3 buttons at the same time, and those buttons are volume up, power and home button, until you see the recovery project, recovery program. Once we are in the 2-up recovery program, you want to choose to make a backup. First of all, for that we are going to use a micro SD card, which is this one here. And then we use adapter, just this one here. Alright, and then we use this adapter here from Kingston. It's inserted like this, and then we use this cable from USB to micro USB. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's insert it in here. Then we will insert it into bottom connector, just like that. Alright, so let's swipe to unlock. First of all, you want to make a backup. I already made one backup, but just to show you how you can make the backup. So in case of emergency, you can always go back to your initial ROM, which was still working. So you want to do backup. And then you want to do select storage, choose the USB storage, and then OK, and then you just swipe to backup. I already made it, so I won't swipe. Then once you have made the backup, you want to go to wipe, advanced wipe, and then you want to choose for Dalvik as system and data and cache. So Dalvik, system, data and cache. Swipe to wipe, go back and go back again, go back another time, and now we want to choose install, and we go to the contents of the SD card, which I put the files. I shall put a link in the video description below where you can download all these files. Alright, so the first file you wanna to take is the LineageOS 8.1.00 FLTXX, and this one is from 13 January 2018, so we're going to take that one. And normally we need only 2 files, the other are optional. The second one is the N920X Lineage V18 final fixed, this one here. Let's go ahead and let's swipe to confirm those 2 files, 2 of them maximum, so swipe to confirm. And as you can see, it will start to extract the operating system Android Oreo onto the phone. Just wait patiently. Alright, once it has finished, you can reboot the system and disconnect the cable. Let's go ahead and let's reboot and see what happens. Alright, there is the Nexus loader, Nexus OS loader. Okay, let's choose Trebuchet launcher and always, and as you can see here now we have the Oreo startup screen. If you go to settings, you can see here that this is the system version about the phone, Android version 8.1.0, and there is our Oreo cookie. Alright, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, rate, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Stay well, peace out.